My name is David Avalos, and I work for a company called eCenter. We're a nonprofit in Northern California that serves 8 counties. I have around 26 or 27 locations. In many environments, I think that people that are working with mobility end up making large spreadsheets where they're trying to track their mobile numbers, who is assigned to the mobile numbers, where they are, where are the mobile devices. We had no visibility. So we wanted to get help in that area so that we could better track our usage, better track our where phones were, be able to order them without having to talk to AT&T or to troubleshoot things. It was very difficult with AT&T when you have to call a phone line and wait for a long period of time. We were also looking for a solution that would move us away from having all unlimited plans where we just plan unlimited without knowing if actually every user needs unlimited. The main difference between having vCom and not having vCom is the visibility that vCom provides to then be able to make data-driven decisions. We are able to make data-driven decisions when we couldn't do that before because we could not see any of the data. And usually the providers provide reports, but they aren't very useful to give data to the decision makers. And with vCom now we have visibility in a way where we can now make decisions. Visibility on your bill, visibility on your devices, visibility on what kind of data is being used by the devices, customized reporting, a whole team of people that's looking at your data in real time to make sure that you don't go over your data caps. If they see that you might be projected to go into overage of your data based on your data pools, they will change it so that they give you a buffer so that you can then not pay that overage fee, and then you save hundreds of dollars instead of paying those overage fees. And at the same time, you're not paying unlimited, which is already another way that you lose money when you were with the main companies. They just sell you unlimited and you just are paying that high unlimited cost when maybe the user isn't using unlimited. It also gives you a visibility to zero data user people. I can even give a short story. We had 60 flip phones out in the wild. I called them because now I could see where each number is inside of vCom, and I found out that only 4 were on. And so that has now prompted us to enter the conversation of looking to disconnect those ones that we aren't using, which is going to save us a lot of money on monthly costs. vCom really helped in being able to make this process easier, where we can just go in, pick the asset, disconnect using the disconnect order button, and we're ready to go. And it's pretty much on the same day they make the disconnect occur, and we then see the savings on the next billing cycle. vCom allows you to just have that visibility where you can make those data-driven decisions where you can save your company a lot of money. I think that vCom so far has been awesome in the way that they communicate. Any kind of question, it didn't matter what, somebody knew. Maybe it wouldn't be the person that was running the meeting, but it would be somebody else. Even now, as we have run even into some little problems that we have to troubleshoot, like activating iPhones or any kind of thing like that, we can quickly call their customer service number and we get someone right away. We don't have to go and wait and listen to the little AT&T music forever, and we can now actually talk to somebody quickly and have our problem resolved. We're doing great with vCom, and we look forward to, again, kind of making it even more efficient as we move along, looking at more data, looking at more reports to tighten it up and make it as cost effective as we can. And I think that we can using the tools that are provided by vCom.